Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this March 2025 lecture series, we are going to discuss about wiring, grounding and safety in electrical circuits and electron devices. And first topic we are going to discuss is wiring. What do you mean by wiring? Why do we need wiring? What are the practical applications of wiring? Okay, shall we start? First of all, what do you mean by wiring? Here, a network of wires connecting various accessories for distribution of electrical energy from the supplier meter to the board to the numerous electrical energy consuming devices such as lamps, fans and other domestic appliances through controlling and safety devices is known as wiring system. We know that very well. Here, house wiring deals with distribution wherein domestic premises. House wiring is generally done for consumption of electrical energy at 230 volt, a single phase or 400 volt 3 phase. See here, see the sample electrical wiring system. See the system. Here, electrical wiring is a process of connecting cables and wires to the related devices such as fuse, switches, sockets, lights, fans, etc. to the main distribution board in a specific structure to the utility pole for continuous power supply. See here, see the example. Here we have example electrical wiring. Here we have fuse, switches, sockets and other domestic appliances. See, what are the factors affecting electrical wiring? The choice of wiring system for a particular installation, it should be based on electrical and economic considerations. Here, in this technical consideration, in general, the following factors should be considered. First one is, the primary thing is safety. First and foremost consideration is safety to a person using electricity against leakage, shock and fire hazard. And next one is mechanical protection. The wiring must be protected from mechanical damage during its use. And permanency, the wiring must not deteriorate unduly by action of weather, ferns or dampness, etc. Here, we consider appearance and accessibility also. Appearance, the wiring must have a good appearance, and accessibility in wiring, that should be provision for extension, renewal or troubleshooting. See, we have some general rules for wiring. First one is, every installation is to be properly protected near the point of entry of supply cables by a two-pole linked main switch and a fuse unit. In a two-wire installation, if one pole is permanently earthed, no fuse, switch or circuit breaker is to be inserted this pole. A three-pole switch and fuse unit is to be used in three-phase supply. And second thing is, the conductor used is to be of such a size that it may carry a load current safely. Third one is, the conductors installed are to be safe in all respects. Fourth one is, every sub-circuit is to be connected to a distribution fuse board. And fifth one, every line, phase or positive is to be protected by a fuse of suitable rating as per the requirements. And a switchboard is to be installed so that its bottom lies 1 to 25 meters above the floor. Okay, and we have adequate number of socket outlets is to be provided at suitable places in all rooms so as to avoid the use of long lengths of flexible cords. And all incandescent lamps, unless otherwise required, are to be hung at a height of 2.5 meters above the floor level. And lights and fans may be wired on a common circuit. Each sub-circuit is not to have more than a total of 10 points of light, fans and socket outlets. The load on each sub-circuit is to be restricted to 800 watts. No fuse and switches to be provided in earth conductor. Every circuit or apparatus is to be provided with a separate means of isolation such as switch. All apparatus requiring attention are to be provided with the means to access to it, and in any building, light and fan wiring and power wiring are to be kept separate. See, In three-phase, four-wire installation, the load has to be distributed equally on all the phases. No additional load has to be connected to an existing installation unless it has been ascertained that the installation can safely carry the additional load and that the earthing arrangement are adequate. Lamp holders used in bathrooms are to be constructed are shrouded in insulating materials and fitting with a protective shield and earth conductivity conductor is not to be size less than 7 or 0.915 millimeter. The metal sheets are conduits for all wiring and metal coverings of all consuming apparatus or appliances is to be properly earthen in order to avoid danger from electrical shock due to leakage or failure of insulation. See, each sub-circuit is to be protected against excessive current that may occur either due to overload or due to failure of insulation by fuse or automatic circuit breaker. All live conductors are to be insulated or otherwise safeguarded to avoid danger. After completion of work, the installation is to be tested before the energization. And in this video, we are discussing about the general rules about wiring. And next video, we are going to discuss about the wiring accessories and materials. Thank you.